Hey there friends, I am the PCGoblin and I just got a special delivery today and it's my RTX NVlink SLI bridge. So I'm going to just quickly unbox it. I wish I could show you the cards going into the system and this going onto the cards, but those haven't shipped yet. So the only thing I can show you of the RTX world today is just the NVlink bridge. So let's go ahead and dive into it and see what it comes with. Alright, here's the front of the box. The bottom of it, and then this shows what's inside, just a bridge. The back of it, top says Nvidia, then the side says GeForce RTX NVlink bridge 3 slot. And it slides open like so, just an angled box. Oh, and there's the bridge. Pins on the back. Then inside this, I'm guessing it's just instructions. Just the support guide. Well, that was a very short unboxing. I know it wasn't very interesting, but I'm really excited to see what this thing can do with the new RTX cards. Nvidia hasn't announced very much about what it can do, but I'm really excited to see benchmarks come out and play with it on my system when my 2 cards get here. So I hope you found it at least a little bit interesting. If you liked it, go ahead and smash that like button. And if you want to see more of my stuff, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time, guys.